Hey guys, the question was asked, why am I unable to create an account from this button? I was able to create one, and I came to create another one, and it's not allowing me to do that. So, reason being is that there's a protection layer in place to be able to protect against hackers or from someone putting in place what's called a bot that essentially will go in and create a bunch of accounts just using a bot or an automatic system and is typical for someone to try to do that. So there's a thing in place that looks at the ID of your computer, your IP address, and protects against that IP address creating more than one account inside of your system. So um, if you're looking to add companies inside of your system, it's very rare that a company would create more than one account for their company from the same computer. Very not normal. And so what you would do is if you're wanting to add the companies, you would log in as you as an administrator or whatever your account login is with permissions to do so, and you would come up to companies and add new, and that's going to allow you to go ahead and do the same data, same information, and not have the problem with the IP address. So same thing would be true if you're going to add your employees. You're going to want to come in and add them either via an import, or you could come up to company contacts and hit add new. Same function and way to do that, and that way you're going to tie them to a company, etc. Or you could just have your employees add this information from this page rather than inside of the on the main create an account page. So that's typically for one person inside of a company to create the account for that company, and from that point on, you'll do it from inside of the software, whoever that person is. So, any other questions? Please let us know.